Hi, I'm Santhana Krishnan. I'm a backend engineer at Novalnet AG, a full payment service provider based in Munich, Germany. We are PCI DSS Level 1 certified and are audited yearly for compliance by CISA. The nature of my job requires me to work in a PCI DSS compliant environment, which is why I participated in the 330th CPISI 2.0 workshop. My goal was to gather an overview of everything involved with PCI DSS, and the workshop over the course of a couple of days proved to be beyond my expectations. Lots of interesting stuff was covered, like emerging payment technologies, the mechanisms behind card payments. We had case studies of various breaches that occurred over the years and all the lessons that we learned from them. And of course, all the requirements that our organization needs to undertake to become PCI DSS compliant were all covered and explained in depth and clearly by our excellent trainers. So I would like to convey my special thanks to Mr. Kaushik, Mr. Prajwal, and Mr. Nandan for sharing their experience over the years as QSAs. They were able to answer all of my questions in an expert manner. And at the end of the workshop, they organized an award program called CISA Champion to award participants who actively engaged in the program. And I was awarded the CISA Champion runner-up title, so thank you for the trophy, CISA. And finally, I would say that this program can serve as a stepping stone towards further qualifications in the payment industry, as it established a solid foundation for me to build my knowledge upon. So thank you and good luck.